Good morning. I'm Manoj Kumar Jha, Assistant Professor of English, Nandan Sanskrit College, Isapur, Madhubani. It's a constituent unit of Kameshwar Singh Sanskrit University, Darbhanga. Today, we are going to discuss common errors in English. It's important for degree final year students of the university. After the run, I had an ache in my legs. Well, try to understand. After the run, I had an ache in my legs. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one. After the run, my legs were aching. Actually, ache is usually used either as a verb or in compounds with tooth, ear, head, back, stomach, etc. For example, I did some weight training on Monday and my shoulders have been aching ever since. That radio of yours is giving me a headache. Now you can compare. After the run, I had an ache in my legs. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one is, after the run, my legs were aching. And after the run, I had pains in my legs. You can also say, I'm writing in reply to your advertisement of a part-time sales assistant. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one, I'm writing in reply to your advertisement for a part-time sales assistant. Because advertisement for, not advertisement of. She gave me a good advice. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one, she gave me some good advice. It is full of good advices on healthy eating. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one, it is full of good advice on healthy eating. Because advice is an uncountable noun, it can never be used with an article, or it can never be made plural. I could do with some advice. She gave me a good piece of advice. The program is about computers and their effect on our lives. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one is, the program is about computers and their effect on our lives. Because affect, the word affect never works as a verb, as a noun, sorry. The word affect never works as a noun. The noun effect is used. To affect something is to have an effect on it. For example, if you say smoking affects your health, it means smoking has an effect on your health. After a week, we are going to Italy. The sentence is incorrect. Well, try to notice. After a week, we are going to Italy. Correct one, in a week's time, we are going to Italy. I hope that I'll still be healthy after 10 years. It's incorrect. Correct one, I hope that I'll still be healthy in 10 years' time. Because the reason is that when you mention a time in the future that is measured from now means the moment of speaking, you should use in a month's time, in 3 weeks' time, or you can use just in a month, in 3 weeks. For example, she'll be back again in a couple of weeks' time. You can use alternatives also. A week from today, we are going to Italy. After a week, we are going to Italy. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one is, in a week's time, we are going to Italy. This sentence can also be an alternative. A week from today or a week today, we are going to Italy. I hope that I'll still be healthy 10 years from now. Next, I returned to Germany after 2 years' time. Well, try to understand. I returned to Germany after 2 years' time. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one, I returned from Germany 2 years later. Because when you mention a time in the past that is measured from an earlier time in the past, you should use later as 2 years later. For example, 6 months later, they got married. Suppose you are telling a story, you should say 6 months later, they got married. In this way, we have seen some important words generally mistaken in English language. That's all for now. Thank you.